Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I hope you will enjoy this video today. It is part of a collab, and I am cooking. And today I am making homemade vegetable soup, but I'm making it with a twist. This, as I said, is part of a collab, and it is hosted by Leona of Ebony, Ivory, and Thyme, as well as Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, I will say I missed the deadline for this entire collab, but I didn't let that stop me. So come on in and let's collab and cook together. So my friends, we are beginning with the base of this soup. It's funny, my grandson loves this. Can you imagine? He started at 7 when he first tasted it, and he's 9, and he still asks for this. Mimi, when are you going to cook the vegetable soup? And when he had it this time, he said, I'm not going to call it soup anymore. It's too thick. I'm going to call it stew. I'm not sure what to call it. I'm just going to say that my family loves it, and I hope you do too. But the base begins with, I put a whole onion in there. I'm also going to boil a smoked turkey wing for about an hour, maybe 2 if it takes that long, to depending on the size of it, to fall off the bone. I want that to be getting through. I'm going to add a bay leaf to this, and I'm also going to season this water because there will be some left, because I'll keep adding it until the turkey wing is falling apart, or the turkey parts are falling apart. And I season the water as well, and then I also will re-season again with the same seasoning once I add the veggies. So just stay tuned and watch me build the base. Now, friends, I realize that this doesn't seem like a holiday meal. However, the host and co-host of this collab mentioned something that was very important. You're not just making a meal for one day. The holiday season is a season, so you have people in and out of your home throughout the season. And a lot of times you want to feed them, and you don't want to go out, especially now. So this is a good meal to have prepared if you're having friends over for a holiday movie night, to help you wrap gifts, a girls' night for the holidays, a couple's night for the holidays. The guys really love this. So it is all about the holidays still, although I make it throughout the winter. This is what the collaboration is all about. And so this is what I'm going for. And I hope that you see the distinction, that you don't prepare just for one meal. You prepare for the season, because I don't know about your house, but people are in and out, and those in my circle who I know are vaxxed and safe, we will be visiting each other this season between Thanksgiving and New Year's. So you've got that whole gamut of time there. So this is one of those good things to have on your menu. It feeds a lot. It's really not hard to make. It's one pot, and it's hearty. So think about that.
Christmas. very Merry Christmas, a joyful cheer. A very Merry Christmas, oh, let me hear. Yes, very Merry Christmas without old tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Very Merry Christmas, all we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas, I keep so near. Every light, every soul from every friend that comes along. Very Merry Christmas to you. Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats.
So now that we have the base all together, my friend, I'm going to put the lid on this, and it is going to simmer for at least an hour and a half, maybe 2. As I said before, it's going to simmer until the turkey is falling off the bone. So let's get this started and go about doing something else. That's what I love about a one-pot meal. How about you? I'm back, and friends, it's been 2 hours, and actually it's been a little over 2 hours. So now I'm going to start adding the vegetables, and before you guys get me, I understand that I should be using frozen vegetables, but when I was prepping last year, I bought a lot of canned goods because I don't have a lot of freezer space. So I bought canned goods so that they would be in my stash, and you know, they have expiration dates, and so I'm going to use them, and then I will restock right after the holidays. So that's why I'm using canned goods. I can't just let them sit there forever. And you know what? I know that I should be using frozen, but you know, you do what you got to do, right? Right? I hope you understand that. But anyway, so I'm adding the vegetables, and as you can see, I have poured the juice off from the can off of all of them, except I will use the juice from the corn and the butter beans. 1 can of corn and 1 can of butter beans, because I just love the flavor. I love the mix. I love them together with all of the other flavors. So I do add those 2 juices, one can each, because I always add 2 cans of corn, and I usually add 2 cans of butter beans or limas, whichever you prefer to call them. But I had some leftovers in the refrigerator, and I added them to the soup. So that's what I did.
Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile. The feeling is right today.
So my friends, I've let the veggies and the turkey simmer for about, I'll say an hour. And now I'm going to add the sausage, because most of them are pre-cooked anyway. And I'll let this simmer again for another 30 to 45 minutes. If this were in a crock pot, I would have added everything at once. I just don't do that because I want to make sure that all of the meat is really, really done when I'm using my Dutch oven. And this was my twist this time for this dish, was to add sausage. This is one of those dishes that you can make your own, and that's why it is so much fun. So friends, it won't be long now, so I'm going to take this opportunity to thank you for watching and to ask you that if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all upcoming videos once you hit the bell as well. My ride or dies, I love you, I love you, I love you. My new subscribers, I see you. You ready? Yeah. So guys, this is the end result. We've got all the vegetables in here. I put the sausage in here. And it looks tasty, so we're going to try it. Now, I'm tasting with saltine crackers. But by the time Hubs gets to it, it's got to be cornbread. Well, let's see how we did today. Oh, yeah. We did good. We did really, really good. Perfect for a day like today when it's cold outside. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll try the recipe. If you're into spice, you can make your sausage hot. We are, but you don't have to. And you don't actually have to use link either. Whenever I do this recipe, I try something different. But if you use sausage patties, make sure that you cook them before you put them in the soup. Okay? All right. That's it. I'm going to sit down now and enjoy the rest of my soup. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Eat your soup, eat your soup, eat your soup, eat your soup.
Good. And I'm so glad you're here. So friends, that's my dish. That's my contribution to this great collab that was hosted by Leona and by Stephanie. I will leave a link to the playlist below, and I hope that you will visit and get these dishes from all these people. You'll get so many fine and new dishes to share during your holiday seasons with your loved ones. I want to thank you for staying with me. I want to thank you for showing up. I hope that you have enjoyed my video, and I ask that you will come back again soon. I'm going to leave you with hugs and blessings, and I'm going to ask that you find something today that brings joy into your life. I love you. Hugs and blessings to you all. I'll see you.